Model, 67-plate Ford Transit Connect Limited 200L1 1.5 120 PS automatic needs repair bargain. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 104,456. MOT, 3 November 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6C. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, van has no drive. Fault codes are, pressure control solenoid performance, shift control solenoid performance, engine sounds brilliant, unable to test drive. Gearbox will need repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors.